back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am just going to show a quick overview of this lamp that you see here. This lamp is from MelodySusie. I will have the link to their store below. But this lamp is from their Violet series. It is the MelodySusie 48 watt LED light. It is an LED light, and it can cure LED gels as well as UV gels. Okay, this one does come in another color. It comes in a black and red color, but this one is the black and gray choice. So on the other one, it's all red where you see black, and then where you see the gray here, you actually have a black. So you know, if that matches your salon, that is an option. All right, as I stated, this is a 48 watt lamp. Now on this lamp, here are the light features. So you have the timer is 5 seconds, 20 seconds, and 30 seconds. I did use this for a couple different sets, including the set that I am currently wearing, and I've had this set on for a while. It thoroughly cured my gels. And the one thing that I like on this is that it, besides the hand sensor, it does have the anti-glare. So what I mean by that is, if you can see this, see how compact that is? When you put your hand in this lamp, the opening on the lamp isn't so wide that when you put your hand in there, the light is shining up in your face. That's one thing that I dislike about some nail lamps, and that's why I like that MelodySusie offers a different choice, because I have multiple lamps from them, and depending on what I'm doing or how much space I have to work in, I might choose one lamp over the other because of that. So this hand, where you place the hand in, it's actually very compact, and I like that. It does have all of these lights in here, as you can see. See? You have all of your lights in there, and the base is removable. So if you wanted to do a gel pedicure, you absolutely could. It does do the countdown. Okay, so it tells you when it's on, and you can see the countdown. Now this is great if you're doing clients, but if you're doing your own nails at home, it won't really matter. You just kind of got to learn the setting, like the timer settings, and go on. Now when I did my nails, I was able to use these settings just fine, and I feel like the settings on this one will determine whether or not you purchase it based off of what type of gels you're doing. If you're just doing gel manicures, I think you're fine. If you are doing builder gels, I do think that you're fine, but you just have to remember that though this has the 30-second timer on it, you will have to press it again if your gels won't fully cure in 30 seconds. So just to give you a heads up on that. But the timer functions work just fine to cure my nails and some other nails that I was doing using this. So thank you so much, MelodySusie, for sending me yet another lamp so that I can compare it to the others that are in my ever-growing collection. And if you're in the market for a lamp, I do highly recommend MelodySusie. If you're not new to my channel, then you know I've spoken about them many times, and I have multiple lamps of theirs. They have so many options, so many different sizes, and some of my favorites are the ones that do offer the low heat mode on their lamps. Okay, so you know, everyone likes something different in their lamp. Everyone's looking for different characteristics, and MelodySusie definitely has a lot to offer in that department. So if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to post them below, and I will see you in the next video. As always, and until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a gorgeous day, Smooches. Mwah. Bye.